Hi, Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker here with another recipe from Simply Earth. This time we are making toilet cleaning bombs. Who loves to clean the toilet? I don't, so I'm excited about these toilet cleaning bombs. Now this recipe came from my August Simply Earth recipe box subscription. The box is $39. But right now, if you use the code THECRAFTYFREE, all one word, then you will get a $40 gift card with your first box. So you can use that gift card on your second box or to purchase other fun supplies from their store. So let's get back to our toilet cleaning bombs. Each box comes with 6 recipes and most of the supplies that you'll need to make the recipes. This recipe does have a few additional items. It comes with the citric acid and the peppermint essential oil. And then I'm going to use my own dish soap and baking soda. So let's just go down the recipe and follow the instructions. To start, we're going to mix the soap and essential oil together in a small bowl. So we need a half a tablespoon of dish soap. So I'm just going to kind of guess there. And we need 6 drops of peppermint oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to mix that together. Easy peasy. Then in a second bowl, we are going to mix 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, and a tablespoon of citric acid. So we're going to open that up and we're going to add a tablespoon to that mixture. And now we're going to add the wet ingredients over here into the dry ingredients. I'm just going to stir those up. It's already starting to fizz and expand. Maybe I should have used a bigger bowl. And then, once it's all well mixed, we're going to bring in an ice cube tray. So now it's kind of like a Play-Doh consistency. And we're going to put some into our ice cube tray. And we're just going to press it into place. Now this has to dry for at least 4 hours. And then after 4 hours, you will be able to just pop those out. They'll be a little bit harder. And then all you have to do is drop one into your toilet to refresh the toilet. Isn't that awesome? So it looks like this recipe will make about 3 if you fill the ice cube tray up all the way. We're going to do 4. We're going to have one that's a small one. And I'm just going to use my fingers here to get that extra stuff off the spoon. And then we're just going to make sure, yep, that could easily have been 3. But now I've got 2 and 2 half ones. So those are good. We're going to let these dry for at least 4 hours. I have let these toilet cleaning balms sit for 4 hours so I can feel that they are nice and hard. So now I'm just going to pop them out of the tray and hopefully they come out good. And there's one. There they are. And then I can just put these like in a little Ziploc bag for when I want to use them. And it says here on the directions that when your wet recipe is dry, remove it from the mold and drop into toilet to deodorize and maintain a clean toilet. So I am excited to try these out, and I will probably be making another batch. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you go to simplyearth.com and use that code THECRAFTYFREE for a free $40 gift card. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting.